Hello everyone! Sa video ito ay tatalakayin natin ang mga halimbawa ng clean and green lifestyle. Sustainable future. Una, reducing waste. Recycling is the one of the simplest and most effective ways to minimize waste. By sorting your trash and recycling paper, plastic, and metal, we can ensure that valuable materials are used, reducing the need for new resources. Halimbawa, composting organic waste tulad ng food scrap na pwede nating gawing pataba sa mga halaman. Pangalawa, considering using renewable energy resources such as solar panel or wind energy to power your home or small businesses. Small step like unplugging devices when you are not used can also reduce energy waste.
Eco-friendly transportation. Carpooling, using public transportation, or riding a bike are excellent ways to reduce your carbon footprint. If possible, options for an electric or hybrid vehicle.
Sustainable food choices. Choose locally grown and organic produce whenever possible. This supports sustainable farming practices and reduce the carbon footprint associated with food transportation.
Protecting natural resources. Plant trees and create green spaces in your community. Trees help absorb carbon dioxide, provide oxygen, and support biodiversity.
Eco-friendly products support brands and business that prioritize sustainability in their practice. From packaging to production methods.
Embracing a clean and green approach to everyday life does require drastic change. It's that small, consistent action that build up over time and create lasting impact. Use choices to reduce waste, conserve resources, and protect nature. We all contribute to a healthier, more than sustainable world. So, let's work together to create a future that both clean and green.